us as okay.
They are not allowed, I'm telling you.
Because you are telling me
if civic cares is not of capacity is radioactive. It's not function of
there's nothing that COP in Coronado, no party. There's no party. Even Lagos State, they are coming to
I have not been sworn in.
Not been confirmed.
Well,
you've been confirmed, but
not sworn in.
not officially. But congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Please, ma'am, we were expecting that witnesses would start to testify today. What happened, please?
Yes, the witnesses were not around today, but hopefully by the next date of adjournment they will be here. But today we were able to narrow down some of the issues. The police told us so far their investigation, what they have been able to get, and we were able to also pull down at least certain names as respondents who will receive summons before the end, bring those ones to come and give them the evidence. And of course, the family members will to so that's all we're able to do today, and we are moving forward.
So who are the respondents? Who are the confirmed respondents that the court will be inviting?
By the next date of adjournment, we will get to know them.
Okay, because press was in court unlike last time.
Yes, we raised the issue that the press should be allowed and the coroner allowed. Gladly enough, they were allowed it today. The only thing that was not allowed today was your cameras, but the press speak to suggest, make suggestions, and partake in the proceedings. So it was done in public, contrary to what happened the last time. But many of the you complained last time, and we had to raise it in the court.
Ma, is it confirmed?
Okay, ma, after the ASP gave his police investigation, the magistrate said Sam Larry and Naramali and Handel should be in court. So, ma, what do you want to say about this, ma?
Yes, and you were there. Summons will be issued to bring them. They have been cited as respondents for now. We may have more respondents as the evidence begins to unfold.
What about the nurse?
Like I said, we may have more names coming to give witness as the events unfold. More than, of course, we're going to have more than just 3 respondents.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you very much. The payment things.
Okay. What will the argument about? Okay. When the ASP said there was an issue raised that among all the several bully allegations that maybe just one was centered on in their investigation. That is what we wanted to address for us.
Well,
firstly, your name, please, and the person you are representing.
My name is David Nowala, and I'm representing TNK Music Worldwide. That's standing in for the entertainment out. It will be evaluated in court. Every parties will come to court and give their evidence. So there's no issue. There's no issue. For now, as it stands, we know that every party involved would be represented. Every party. The court will issue summons on those who the court wants to invite into the court to elicit their accounts and to shed light on the issue at hand, while other necessary parties that have been directly involved would also get involved, like the police. The police will still submit their reports before the tribunal, and thereafter from several other angles. The police is just one side. They are conducting investigation, no doubt about it. The report will be subject to evaluations. Other witnesses' accounts too also will constitute evidence too. So all of this put together would now make the court and assist the court in arriving at its own fact-finding responsibility.
Thank you very much.